Hey guys, long time no see. I forgot my intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tamadani, if you're new here. Hey guys, Tad, if you're not new. Hey guys, and what's up? And it's been approximately, alright, I'm gonna say 3 months because, anyhow. But yeah, it's been so super duper long. I'm gonna move my ring light to here. Yeah, it's been so super duper long, and today is a really exciting day because I'm getting my nails done, guys. I haven't had my nails done in about 3 months, 3 whole months, and that's generally not my fault because nails are like my favourite thing ever. And well, not really, but you know, I love having my nails done. If you see me without nails, it's like crisis. I had my nails done 3 months ago, and then I went on a course to West Glam, which was like a theatre course for a week, and we put on a show in 7 days, and it was really good. We did 2 shows actually. We did choreographed, rehearsed, blocked, all of it in 7 days with an amazing group of actors and stage management and set design. Like, it was incredible. I was playing a boy actor, so I ended up cutting my acrylics because I didn't have the equipment to take my nails off. Like, my nails don't budge. If you know me, and my nail beds are the strongest things on planet Earth. This is pretty much 4 months. These, I bit them off, and that's why I didn't bite these ones off, because by the time I got to my pinky finger had then snapped in half. It was bleeding, it was purple, it was a whole disaster. But it's time for me to start getting ready. I have a Fashion Nova order coming in so soon. I'm like literally so excited because then I can start packing. I'm going on holiday on Wednesday and it's Monday, and I cannot wait. I'm going at like really early in the morning, so I'm really excited, and I've been waiting for this order for so freaking long. It said Thursday and it's Monday. Not being funny, I'm not having that. Anyway, it's time for me to start getting myself ready. If you saw my TikTok, I bought the Weleda skim food, and honestly, I'm so happy I made this purchase because the feeling is unmatched. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a fan of the smell of it, like, at all. I cannot breathe. How do you like that? Because I don't know. But the things it does for my skin, I love it. I kind of wish I got the light one because this girl's thick. I don't know if that changes anything, but she's so thick. I'm not a fan. So I'm now doing my makeup to go get my nails done. I was debating whether or not wear makeup today, but you know what? I've got time to kill because I'm going with Bailey. If you didn't know, she's coming on holiday. No, you wouldn't know. She's coming on holiday with us. Who is my best friend, by the way. She's coming on holiday with us, and we're getting our nails done together, but she's currently in work and she finishes at 2:30, and yeah, a bit early now, but I obviously want to get my Fashion Nova, maybe start packing. I'm not too sure. This is the Dior Forever foundation, guys. It's my favourite foundation out of all the foundations I've used, which is not a lot, but I still think it's a little bit. Right. Yay! You excited to go on holiday, Dad?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah? Oh, lovely! Lovely! Okay.
The passport's ready.
Yes!
Start the checking in and the flight.
Go on, you've got the pictures of Bailey's as well.
Yeah. Okay,
guys. So, I've just finished my makeup. You know, just a bit of a simple glam or whatever, and I put on my Fashion Nova clothes. Guys, I feel like my life is so sad. Like, that's why I'm excited over right now, but I don't care because I'm just a girl. I am doing a TikTok, but I'm not going to be doing like a full-blown TikTok because you're sitting on top of my speaker and I'm going to be listening to music, but I'm just going to do like a photo TikTok, like the swipes and all that. But let's open this bad boy up. Sorry about that, my lovelies. Okay. And the thing is, I'm like my own worst critic because I'm not being funny. I order clothes and it takes me ages. Right, I'm so sorry. And then I order them. Once I put them in the bag, I order them. I'm like, okay, done. Then I'm on TikTok and I'm seeing these amazing pieces. And I'm like, these weren't on the website when I purchased. So, yeah. Guys, I call this the Ice Spice dress because Ice Spice was wearing it on the picture in the website. Can I pull it off like Ice Spice? No. No, I cannot. But I love it. Look at that dress. I'm so sorry. Like my lighting in my bedroom does not give. But can we see that? Like, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this dress. Yeah. And look at the length. You can literally see my toes. Okay guys, so you're joining me in the kitchen right now. Let me turn on a light. Okay. So I need to try and take off my acrylics now. So I found this hack on TikTok. I bought like nail polish remover, but like I don't really think that's gonna work. So I'm not gonna be using that. But I've put some warm water in this container. Fairy liquid. Okay, and oil. My favorite oil is olive oil, but you know I'm not wasting my olive oil for my cooking, just for my nails, so I'm going to use the sunflower oil. So I'm just going to have to see if that works. I'm going to use the back of this to give it a stir, and then you can soak your nail in there and wait for it to pop off. So I'm going to pop myself a seat right here next to the lager, of course. Why not? And soak. It's really hot. Oh, it's burning. I don't like it. It's burning. Okay, it's really hot. I can't do it. It's too hot. I'm just gonna give it a few minutes. Hey guys, so okay. Hey guys, so I can officially say the world's worst vlogger goes to me. Yeah, I may as well click off the video. I look a mess, but it's whatever. Update. I'm home. I went to get my nails done, forgot to bring my camera. I think I recorded a little bit. If it's any good on my phone, I'll insert it and you would have seen it, but like I don't think it was any good. But I know I haven't showed you the finished result yet, so I'm going to show you. These are my nails. Cute, they're long. And I don't regret going long. It's just taking a little bit getting used to, because not only have I not had nails on for a really long period of time, haven't had long nails for ages, maybe over a year. Well, this long anyways, because I used to always get like long babies like this, but then I just decided to enter my classy girl era. Now I've exited my classy girl era when it comes to nails, where I look like a biker. I just put this on so like I didn't leave with my house with tags on, but no, they're really cute. I don't know if you want to see my toes. I'm gonna show you anyway, so if you have a thing for toes, which like me, not a thing for toes, like if you don't like toes, then maybe don't watch this part. It was Friday, now you said you weren't in your room. What's that song? I want to add that to my Morocco playlist, guys. Of course I have a Morocco playlist. But anyways, the plan for the day, for the rest of my evening now, is to pack. It's literally packed because everything's here. I do have one TikTok shop order coming. Fingers crossed it comes tomorrow, otherwise I will punch someone that waits there, because one of the things is so important. It's one of those lights that you clip onto your phone, and I won't get any Instagram content if I don't have that light, because I need it. Like I need that light. Like, you don't understand. Oh, I needed to buy a mirror. I'm not going out tomorrow. There's no way am I leaving my house tomorrow. But whatever. I'll just have to figure out something else when it comes to the mirror. I think ooh.
You.
Don't tell me you're on your phone while riding.
I'm not riding, bro.
Good. What's it called?
38, come on. You know where I am right now.
Psychopath.
Technical.
Wanna say hi to my vlog?
What's up, guys? You like the new mope? You like the new mope? Yeah, it's pretty. Oh shit. You like the new mope? Yeah, guys, I know you like the new mope.
Can you see that?
Eco 112. It cost me 1.7 grand, and that was my car money. But now I don't have money for a car anymore. Yay! You can turn it off now.
Anyways, what was I even saying? Yeah, it was the pack. I haven't got a mirror, but that light's really important. And then I also have like a Skims dupe dress, like a really cute dress, because you know that Zara dress that is like really like slim fit, and yeah, they didn't have the black one in my size, and I was really tempted to go for the brown one, but I'm like, I know I want the black one in my heart, and I'm not going to spend that much money on it, even though it's not that expensive compared to like the real one. But that much money on a brown dress, which I'm not going to like because it's going to blend in with my skin tone, and then I'll look naked. Do you know what I mean? So I decided to opt for the Skims dupe one on TikTok shop, and that needs to come tomorrow. But besides those two things, I'm pretty much ready to start packing. This is the latest I've ever left it to pack. Also, Bailey cut my hair because she's a little hairdresser. She added some layers into it, and then it's a lot shorter. I like it. We'll see how it goes. I just don't know how I feel about short hair. I don't know. Well, yeah, that's the plan. I can actually tell you time now. It is 7:25, and I'm gonna start packing. And yeah, let's pack with me. I've got myself a cup of tea because I was really cold. It's a really cold day, raining, thunderstorm, you name it. Trust me, I went through it today. My suitcase for like my luggage, my hand luggage, isn't she so adorable? I can't wait to pack now just because of this bag. Can't wait to put all my bits and bobbity bobs in here. Eee, I'm so excited. Okay. Okay guys, so I've packed all of my new bits and bobs and pretty much everything. I've got about 5 night outfits in my suitcase and all my bikinis, 3-day outfits, 4-day outfits, if I even go out and I'm not in my bikini. Do you know what I mean? All my beach cover-ups, my beach bag. Now I'm just looking for some bits in my wardrobe, like some dresses, just some more options in case I don't really feel like wearing absolutely everything. I'm using this light for lighting because their big light is too bright and I don't like it. Oh, that's annoying. I completely forgot. Ooh, here are my sunglasses I was talking about. I've got 2, so these are my first pair of Versace sunglasses. These are the ones I wear like all the time. You've probably seen them in a couple of my videos before. I know, I really like these. I don't know, they don't really go with my hair, but like they look good in the vibe, okay? They look good in the vibe. But then these babies are the Dior ones. And I think these suit my hair. No, I don't even know. I don't even know why I like these. I don't know. But those are the sunglasses. Hey guys, so I've pretty much finished. I've pretty much finished all my packing. I've just got some more bits to finish, like my shoes. So like I've got a pair of heels, sliders, and that's it. And then I need to obviously put in my makeup, my straighteners, my kit, well, just my straightener, my hot comb, perfume, and that's it then. And that's really that. It's now maybe 9:30 and I'm about to have a bath and get into bed, and then I'm going to try and edit this video so I can post it tonight or tomorrow. I know it was a really long video. I'm only now just trying to get back into the ropes of making YouTube videos again, but that's kind of it for today. I may vlog tomorrow as well. Yeah, I may vlog tomorrow if I get up to anything nice, but definitely subscribe because we've got the holiday vlog coming out very shortly. So I will catch you guys in... Wait, I think I'm gonna do an airport vlog first. No, I'm not gonna vlog the day we leave. Okay, I'll sort that all out. But I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.